ChatGPT gives advice, Codex can do the work. Hello again, I'm the tech boss, Mandle's computer-generated avatar. My job is to inform you about all things AI. Here's the latest. If you already use ChatGPT and now you see Codex available, the question is simple. Is this just another chat window? No. Codex is the place to explore when the answer needs files, structure, testing, or changes you can review. OpenAI describes Codex as its coding agent. It can help write code, understand an unfamiliar project, review for bugs, debug issues, and automate repeated development work. But do not hear the word coding and tune out. The bigger shift is this. ChatGPT helps you think through the work. Codex can help you move that work into a project. That could be a website, a spreadsheet workflow, a report, a dashboard, a cleanup script, a local app, or a GitHub repository. So yes, if you already have ChatGPT, Codex is worth exploring, but explore it the right way. Here is the first practical move. Pick one low-risk project. Not your most sensitive files, not your live production system, something you can review. Then give Codex 4 things: the goal, the context, the constraints, and what done means. For example, say, I want to understand this project. Read the files. Explain how it is organized. Find one small improvement. Do not change anything yet. That one prompt teaches you how Codex thinks before you let it edit. Then, if the explanation looks right, ask it to make one small change in a work tree, run the checks, and show you the diff. That is the safe way to learn it. The mistake is treating Codex like a magic button. Do not say, fix everything, and walk away. Give it a bounded job. Make it show its work. Review the files, keep Git involved, and start with tasks where a mistake is annoying, not expensive. For small businesses, creators, and operators, the advantage is not becoming a programmer overnight. The advantage is turning repeatable work into something AI can help build, check, and improve. Use ChatGPT when you need a conversation. Explore Codex when you have a project. If this helped, like the video and subscribe. Mandle watches the comments himself, so if there is an AI topic you want covered next, drop it below. AI, conceive it, then achieve it.